Good afternoon, guys. This is just a quick tutorial to go ahead and show you guys how to use Crunchy to wrap your Tezos and then put the wrapped Tezos along with Spicy token and add liquidity to SpicySwap. So let's head over to Crunchy Network. And as you can see here, I went ahead and logged in with my address here. I have 1.590 Tez. Okay, so you can log in with Temple or whatever. Check out my other tutorials for that. Now, one thing to note before you do this, as of right now, you can only add liquidity. There's no way to remove the liquidity. So you won't be able to see your liquidity balance in the pools. So it's a bit of a risk. So please, like I said, do this at your own risk. Don't do this if you don't believe in the project or you aren't sure and you don't want to put a whole bunch of money in a place where you don't know how to take it out. There might be a way to take it out via the smart contracts, but that's a bit more complicated, so I wouldn't recommend it. From here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to press whatever number you want. Press 0.1. I'm going to do 0.1 in this example. I'm going to hit Mint XTZ, WXTZ. And just so you know, they are working on the Codecrafting is working on the UI for this, so you're going to be able to see like more statistics and how much baking rewards and things like that will show up at a later date. Okay, looks like the transaction finished, so we're going to head over to SpicySwap. From this main page, SpicySwap.xyz, I'm going to go ahead and head over to Open SpicySwap. From here, you're going to go to the swap section, and you can press from Wrapped Tezos to, then click SPI. So this should auto-populate your balance of Wrapped Tezos. It says I have 0.5 here. Right now, for some reason, this isn't exactly updating correctly. So what you need to do is you need to refresh. So when you refresh the page, it'll show your new balance, which, as you saw, I just minted 0.1 wrapped Tezos. So from there, you're going to go ahead and press 50% or whatever you want, and it'll come out in the SPI. Press swap. Now, when I first did the swap earlier today to do like test before this video, this pop-up didn't show up. So if the pop-up doesn't show up, what you need to do is go ahead and log out of the Temple wallet and then log back in. It should show, the pop-up should come, but sometimes the pop-up wallet doesn't show. So anyways, yeah. Now once that's finished, you're gonna go ahead and head over to the liquidity page. So just wait a second. And for this page, one thing to note, go ahead and hit refresh. Okay, so it'll show up my balance of SPI down here. The SPI I just purchased with the Wrapping XTZ in the previous step. You can go ahead and hit max, and then it'll show me my max amount of wrapped Tezos I can put in because that matches the amount of SPI. So then go ahead and go down here and press mint. So this time it shows mint, and before it showed create liquidity pool or something like that. So it says create pool, but now it says mint. So I'm not sure why this is changing. Just understand that this is the button you need to press in order to add liquidity. I'm guessing that they're going to change the lingo later. So okay. So then you go and head over to analytics, and so here you can see all the analytics of the different pages. Go to the dashboard, and you can see your own transaction. Swap XTZ for SPI. It's right here. Okay. Liquidity. Go ahead and refresh this page. It looks like there's no liquidity showing in here yet, so that's kind of scary, but I'm guessing that it's still there. Go to liquidity and go to, it says as of right now there's no way to remove liquidity, so I would recommend being careful before you do all this. Anyways, thank you guys for viewing, and I hope this helps. Bye.
Bro, we need to pump it. Everybody go to the Twitter and hashtag the things, pump it, you know, pump it real good. We need a good pump. Everybody deserves a nice Tezos pump.